Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your OnePlus 15R isn't recognizing your lock screen pattern correctly. So first of all, if you have some sort of alternative method to sign in, for example face unlock or fingerprint unlock, then use it to unlock your device. And then if you want to get rid of this issue, then you're gonna have to first back up all the data from your smartphone to either the cloud storage or to some external device like an SD card or a computer. And after that, just perform a factory reset operation. We have a separate video on our channel explaining how to do that through device settings, but generally speaking, it's I can even show you right now. All you have to do is go to settings, swipe down to system and update menu, and then go to backup and reset. And here you can both make a backup and reset your phone by selecting reset phone and erase all data, and then you're just gonna have to set up your device once again, and this way you will be able to change your device's pin code or your device's lock screen pattern. And now if you don't have access to your device, then you have two options right now. No, you actually have three options. So the first one and the best one is reach out to OnePlus customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, for example by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought the phone, they will be able to help you out and erase the pattern from your smartphone without removing any data from it. Now, in case you cannot do that, then you're gonna have to perform a factory reset operation in order to reset your device's passcode. And in case you cannot, in case you cannot back up your device's data, then be aware that all the data from your device will be erased too. So there are two ways that you can perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone. The first one is recovery mode, and if you want to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode, you have to check the separate video on our channel that explains how to enter recovery mode and how to navigate in it and how to perform a factory reset operation eventually, step by step. So if you're interested, you're highly welcome to check out that other video on our channel. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation is a remote one, and to perform the factory reset operation in that way, you're gonna need to have a Google account on your smartphone. So you can check, well, normally you can check if you have a Google account on your phone. If you go to settings and open Google, here you will see whether or not you have a Google account. But if you do have one, then you can open a web browser and go to the search engine on any other device that you have that has an internet connection on it, and search for the Find Hub website, open it, and sign in to the Google account on this website, the one that you have signed in on this OnePlus smartphone. And once you do that, you'll be able to go to Devices tab and find your OnePlus smartphone on this list. And after you do that, you'll be able to tap the settings icon and select factory reset your device. Now we want to factory reset OnePlus. I selected Galaxy A07. Of course, you have to select your OnePlus. I just can't see it because I'm currently doing it on this phone, and when you're entering Find Hub on your own smartphone, you cannot reset it through here. You're gonna have to do this instead through settings instead. So yeah, just perform a factory reset operation, then set up your device again. But there is another possibility. So if your device, if you do remember your device's pattern, but your smartphone simply doesn't seem to accept it in the normal mode, then this might be some sort of third-party application interference or some background process interference with the lock screen, so some background process is affecting the way that your lock screen behaves, and in such case you're gonna have to restart your device restart your device in the safe mode instead. And in order to reboot your device into safe mode, we're gonna have to first press power button and volume up key shortly, and then swipe the circle up to restart, and then wait until the phone is fully shut down. Then it will begin to turn on again, and we will see the Android logo first. At this point we're gonna have to wait for about 5 seconds, so I'm currently, well, right about now we're gonna have to hold down the volume down key. So before the red circle appears on the screen, just start holding down the volume down key and then release it once your phone is fully boot up. And at this point you'll be able to see the safe mode icon or the indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. And now you can try to safely enter your pattern. And once again, and just in case your phone recognizes it this time, go to settings and go to security and privacy right here, then go to device unlock, screen lock, enter your pattern, and then turn off password and then confirm. And then you'll be able to identify which kind of process or which kind of application could have caused this issue. But right now let's just restart our phone into the normal mode by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time. Restart your phone and wait until it's rebooted into the normal mode. And that's it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.